relook what we have done in our previous sessions, you can see that we have done algebraic expressions and its type. We have gone through the terms, factors and the coefficients of algebraic expressions. We have also seen that what are variables, what are constants, what are algebraic equations. We came to know that what is a degree, okay, degree of an expression. What are polynomials? What are the like terms? Why do we need like terms? Operations on algebraic expressions also we have started, in which we have done all the three operations. We have seen how to add an algebraic expressions and what are the rules behind the addition. We have also seen the subtraction of algebraic expression. We have gone through the subtraction also. We have taken some cases also, and through examples we have tried to understand this concept as well. Then we have started with multiplication of monomials with monomial. We have seen multiplication of monomial with binomial. Also we have seen monomials with trinomials, okay, product of monomial with trinomial. Further, when we have extended our this multiplication, we have gone through product of or the multiplication of binomial with binomial. So in today's session, we'll try to understand, it's going to be a very small session in which we'll try to understand how to multiply a binomial with a trinomial, and as once we will understand this, how to multiply binomial with trinomial, we will further multiply, or we will be able to multiply any of the algebraic expressions further, okay, because everything is going to be just like every multiplication is going to be just like this. It can be in other bracket, it could be any number of terms, okay. So let's start with our session. Hello everyone, welcome to Aakaar Maths Basics classes. Our recap series number 2 is going on. We are going through a series of sessions for the chapter algebraic expressions. This is part number 7, and we have the concepts here are going to be cleared for 6 to 9 classes, okay, and this is session number 7, okay. So in this session we are going to understand how to multiply a binomial with a trinomial, okay, binomial multiplied with trinomial. This we will try to understand. The process is same as previous one. We have seen in binomial how to multiply binomial in binomial. The same process is going to be applied here, okay. We will just open the first bracket and then we are going to apply the multiplication all over the second bracket. Each and every term is to be multiplied with the first term of the first expression. Similarly, each term of the second term is to be multiplied with the second term of the first expression. So we'll try to understand it through an example. Let us consider one of the examples first, okay. So let's write one example. We'll take one example here and let it be like this: x square minus 2x and multiplied with 9x square minus 2x plus 5. So what we are going to do, we have to multiply. This one is a binomial. You can see this is a binomial with only 2 terms, okay. हम binomial किसे कहते हैं, जिसमें 2 terms होते हैं, 1 and 2. You can see we are having only 2 terms, and this is a trinomial. इसको हम trinomial बोलेंगे, all because it is having how many terms? 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there, and we know that terms, how to identify the terms by the separation of this plus or minus. By you can see that wherever we are having plus or minus, we can we can find out which are the terms. Here the separation between these two is done by minus. It means these two are sums. These two are terms. Okay, so here we are having only 2 terms, but here we are having 3 terms. Now let us start multiplying. What we will do, we will open the first bracket. हम इस bracket को तोड़ेंगे और क्या करेंगे, इसके इसके first term को हर term से, जो second bracket है उसके सारे terms से इसका multiplication कराएंगे. Let us see how to do it. So we'll break, and then after that we'll start with this. We'll write here x square and with this we are going to multiply this whole bracket. So first we will write this whole bracket in front of it. So 2x is 2x plus 5. So in the first case we are multiplying this with whole bracket. Okay, so we will write the whole bracket first. What is the sign here? Minus 2x. ठीक है. Then in this case what we are going to do, again this whole bracket is to be multiplied. तो हम इस पूरे bracket को ऐसे ही यहाँ पर लिख लेंगे. क्या किया हमने? वी हैव जस्ट ओपन द फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट. जिस ब्रैकेट में भी कम नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स होते हैं, जिस ब्रैकेट में कम टर्म्स होते हैं, हम उसमें उस ब्रैकेट को तोड़ते हैं और बड़े वाले एक्सप्रेशन से, बड़े वाले ब्रैकेट जिसमें जो वो एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें ज़्यादा टर्म्स होते हैं उससे मल्टीप्लाई कराने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो इस यहाँ पर हमें जो कम टर्म्स थे वो बायनोमियल में है. ऑब्वियस सी बात है. इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे कि इसके फर्स्ट टर्म को लिखेंगे और फिर सेकेंड टर्म, जो सेकेंड एक्सप्रेशन है उससे पूरे को मल्टीप्लाई कराएंगे. फिर इसी तरह से हमने सेकेंड टर्म लिया और फिर सेकेंड एक्सप्रेशन को फिर से मल्टीप्लाई करें. अब हम ओपन करेंगे ब्रैकेट्स को. एंड व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़? वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी में हम क्या करते हैं कि हर एक टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई कराते हैं. सो एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू 9x स्क्वायर, राइट. ये इससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा, फिर इससे भी होगा और उसके बाद इससे भी होगा. सिमिलरली ये पहले इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर इससे करेंगे और फिर इससे कराएंगे. ठीक है. सो लेट अस ट्राई टू डू इट. दिस इज एक्स स्क्वायर, this is into 9x square. Okay, then again this is minus sign, minus into plus, it is giving you minus. So x square and into 2x, again plus into plus will give you plus. So x square into 5. One of the bracket is done. Now we have completed this whole in this form, right? Now let us expand this. Minus, since this is minus, this is plus, so we are going to change the sign inside once, right? तो minus and plus को into किया तो हमारा क्या आ गया? Minus. And 2 into 9 is going, then we will multiply the numerical, or let us first write, first we'll show the multiplications. So 2x into 9x square, again minus into minus, it will give you plus, then again 2x into 2x, then we are having again plus into minus, minus. So 2x into 5, right? Let us now solve them. You can see there that we are having here x square into 9x square. You can whenever we are going to multiply such numbers, or whenever we multiply two expressions, what we do, we just multiply the coefficients first. First we check the sign. आफ्टर चेकिंग, पहला स्टेप साइन चेक करना है. आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ साइन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई द न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट्स. तो पहले साइन को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, उसके बाद न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. बट यहाँ पर साइन प्रॉब्लम नहीं आ रही है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, 9 into 1 करेंगे, 9 आ जाएगा. ठीक है. वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग 9 into 1. देन व्हाट इज देयर? x is to be taken as common because the same variables are there. And what we are going to do, जब भी bases हमारे same हो तो हम उनके क्या करते हैं, powers को add कर देते हैं. तो we will get what? 2 plus 2, that is 4. Understood? Next, in this case, this is minus. Again here you can see we are having 2 here. This is 1. And minus is already there, so we are going to put minus into plus here because no sign is there in front of 2. That means this into is only for the product. Okay, if we consider this in a bracket, it means plus sign is there in between. Okay, so plus into minus, minus, then x square 2 is there, so 2 into 1 will give you 2, and this is x, and this one, this is 2 and this is 1. So 2 plus 1 how much? 3. है ना, समझ में आ रहा है? 2 plus 1 हमने किया तो क्या आ गया? 3. Again here what we are having? Plus 5 into 1. Here nothing is there, so no coefficient, it means it is 1. 5 into 1 will give you 5. No other variable is here, so we will write 5x square. समझ में आया क्या किया हमने? नेक्स्ट इसमें देखते हैं कि what is to be done here. Again minus into minus is going to give you, no other sign is there, so we will just write minus. Then 2 into 9 is giving you what? 18. And x to the power 1, here x to the power 2, so add them. जब हमारे बीच में इंटू का साइन, हमारे वेरिएबल्स के बीच में इंटू का साइन है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इनके पावर्स को ऐड करेंगे. यानी 2 plus 1, 3. So x to the power 3. Here what will come? 2 into 2, 4. X to the power, this is 1, this is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Next, here 5 into 2 will give you what? 10 and x, because only one x is there, no other x is there, so it will be this much only, right? Now we will bring the like terms together. जो भी like terms हमारे पास हैं हम उनको पास में ले आएंगे. तो we are not having any variable with x to the power 4. You can see here no variable is there with x to the power 4, so let it be here only, right? Let us find out if there is any variable with x to the power 3. You can see this one is here and this one is here, so we are going to bring them together. हम इनको जो भी वेरिएबल्स लाइक टर्म वाले हैं, जिनके वेरिएबल्स भी सेम हो और पास भी सेम हो, हम उन्हीं को लाइक टर्म्स कहते हैं, उनको हम एक साथ ले आएंगे. So it is 2x cube, this is minus 18x cube, sorry, this is minus 18x cube, okay, and then you can see this is also like term and this is also like term. क्यों? क्योंकि इनके वेरिएबल्स भी सेम है और पावर्स भी सेम है, तो हम इनको फिर से एक साथ इकट्ठा करेंगे. So it will be grouped together, that is 5x square and plus 4x square, and what is remaining? Let us write it as such. It will be minus 10x. Let me group it so that you will understand that these two are like terms, right? So we are having two pairs of like terms. Let us solve them. This is minus and this is minus, right? We are having two like terms and both are having minus sign. It means we are going to add. You know that when same signs are there, same signs are always added. So due to same sign we are going to add. It means it will be 20x to the power cube. What about this? This will give you plus, you can see here again the same sign is there, so you are going to add them again. It will be 5 plus 4 9 and x to the power square, and then you will get minus 10x because no other term is there to be added or subtracted to this. So what is the final answer? You can see here no other like term is there, so it is not going to be solved further, and this becomes the answer to your question. So this is how we are going to solve or we are going to multiply a binomial with a trinomial. I hope you have understood. So with this, go on practicing more questions so that you will be able to understand, and if you have any doubt you can ask me through the comment box by writing your comments in the box, and do like, share and subscribe the channel so that I will come to know whether you are liking it or not, okay, so that I can come with more videos of this, right? So till then, take care. Bye bye.